This video is going to be about 3 things that you could be doing daily, either on your lunch break or your work breaks to stay productive while you're at work. The first thing, one of the things that I like doing the most is walking on breaks, because before you know it, like if you have a 15-minute break, if you're walking for 15 minutes, and then if you walk for your second break as well, then just right there, you have 30 minutes of exercising without even thinking about it. You're just doing something different, and you're doing something better than just sitting at your desk the whole time, or just scrolling on your phone or whatever. So it's one way to get out. Like if it's nice outside, it's a good way to get some fresh air, not be stuck in the same spot, because I mean it's so easy to get lazy by just sitting in the same spot and just like, oh well, no, this day is going so slow. Sometimes you realize that moving a little bit can actually make the day go by faster, because like I know that when I first started walking on breaks, you don't realize how fast that time goes, like when you are out and about. So it's one thing to consider. Another thing, number 2, would be meditation. Which would be pretty easy, depending on how loud your workspace is. But I mean, most offices and office spaces are usually pretty quiet. But if you aren't in an office or other place, maybe you can go out to your car, maybe walk and meditate, not with your eyes closed or anything. But I mean, there's definitely a part of meditation that just deals with just like tuning everything out, being silent, and just taking everything else in. With meditation, for me, I feel like it's one of the most important things that I do daily. I usually wake up and do it, and usually right before I go to sleep, I like to do it. And there's plenty of sleep meditations and stuff like that you can find either in meditation apps, like the app I use. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I use the Insight Timer, and there's thousands of free meditations on there, like that range from like 3 minutes all the way up to like an hour or 2 hours. So that's something that you could check out. And for the third thing that you could be doing on your work breaks that would be really beneficial to your health would be stretching. Like it's a really overlooked thing, but something as simple as stretching can actually go a long way to help how your back feels, how your neck feels, your shoulders, all that. Because if you're doing a lot of work at a desk or anything where your shoulders are rounded in, it's only going to be keeping those muscles tight, and then they get cinched in around that position. So it's just bad posture. So it's, if anything, it'll help with your posture to maybe sit up more and be better with it at work while you're on a keyboard and stuff. But anyways, those are the 3 things that I pretty much do either on my breaks or daily, even after work. But the biggest thing I'd say would be the walking, just because then you're at least moving and you aren't even thinking about it, like, and you aren't like getting super sweaty, hopefully. but I mean, you don't have to go walking super fast or anything crazy, but just some things to consider. All right, anyways, don't feed the zombies. Have a good one.